Severe tornado threat. Please take shelter immediately.
I'm on my balcony right now.
Oh, I'm storm watching. There's a tornado watch 1 county away. They just told us to take shelter. I'm gonna pause this. Guys, they just told us to take shelter. Oh, I don't know if you guys caught that, but I could see kind of like the beam of light. This is crazy. This is a severe tornado watch. We're under severe tornado watch right now. Oh, I did not see that. I hope you guys picked that up. But we are under a severe tornado watch right now. That whole house is shook.